An average person spends a quarter of their life at work. Our workplaces have a very big impact on our physical and mental health. With a rising number of burnouts and episodes of quiet quitting, there is a growing emphasis amongst organizations on promising workplace well-being. Data from Asian Mental Health Index 2022 report tells us that more than half of Singaporean workers report that they are now more sensitive to stress compared to the previous year. Gallup 2022 reported that in Southeast Asia, the rate of quiet quitting was amongst the highest globally at 68%. The Ministry of Manpower acknowledges the importance of workplace well-being and cites work stressors as one of the factors associated with poor mental health. At MDIS, the topic of organizational wellness and human sustainability are studied carefully and rigorously. And we're excited to offer our clients a tailored program that helps develop strategies to effectively manage stress, prevent workplace burnout, and increase employee engagement. Upon completion of this program, you'll be better equipped to recognize and manage the first signs of burnout in yourself and within your team. You will also learn to choose and effectively implement well-being assessment tools in your home. And finally, you will learn to prevent future burnouts in your team by understanding the areas which impact employee engagement and by incorporating well-being best practices and policies into your existing system. Our ultimate goal is to help you create and maintain thriving culture in your organization and become a role model for your sustainable practices.